Oo, mag-ano. Tatayo ako. Hello guys, good morning. This is Joan ng Kalukbakag. So, tayo po ay mag-hike today guys sa my Devil's Peak. So, come on, let's go! So, before that guys, I will show you how to get there. So, we are in Minawati Autong. So, we will exit at exit A. So, come on, let's go! Exit A, A2. So, exit A2, Kopai Road. So, let's go. Let's go in this way, guys. The stair is there. So, come on, let's go, let's go. So if you see this yellow building guys, so you are in the right track. So anyway, there is a two-way here guys. So on the other side, yes, there guys, you can walk there too. Yeah, that way guys. Cross the road, go to the other side, and this way we can use this one too guys. So we choose to walk here guys. So come on, let's go. Just keep on walking guys until you reach the just like a green one. Yeah, this one guys. So meaning to say you are almost there guys in the starting point. So that's it. So we are going to cross to the other area guys because the starting point is there. So let's go. Let's go guys, come on. So ayan guys, nandito na po tayo sa ating pinaka-starting point ng ating pupuntahan, which is in Devil's Peak guys. So ayan, So tara, umpisa na po natin na maglakad-lakad. So ayan, pag akyat niyo po dito sa may hagdong, inyong makikita. So there is a two-way here. So ayan guys, so but we will go on this way guys. So Devil's Peak, 562 meters. So Devil's Peak, here we come.
Akala nyo guys, tapos na yung ano, hindi pa starting point na Devil's Peak. So maraming nakakawin pa.
You know why I want to come here?
No, I didn't know.
The only thing that I want to come here because I want to know why they called it Devil's Peak.
So you are curious with that?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's gonna find out what we gonna see here. Why they called it Devil's Peak. So samahan niyo po kami tuklasin kung anong kababalaghan po dito sa may Devil's Peak guys. So come on, let's go! So yan guys, Wilson Trail. Nasa Wilson Trail pa rin tayo. So as of now, ang ating weather ay napaka gloomy. As in gloomy, tulad ng aking pag-ibig. Wow, charot. So ayan, so ang ating makikita today is more on trees. So since ngayon ay gloomy, hindi po siya mainit. So masarap pong maglakad-lakad guys. So Wenka is there.
Hi.
Yeah, and Gemma,
Yeah,
the beautiful girl.
Someone is stealing my phone.
Wow, someone is stealing her phone daw. So the other girl is at my back, the beautiful girl na nakulimbat lang po namin kanina sa may daan. Margie daw ang pangalan niya guys. So
Naligaw ako, naligaw.
So naligaw din daw po siya.
Naligaw po siya, tapos nakita niya po kami, naligaw din ulit po siya.
So doble-doble.
Doble po yung ligaw niya.
Doble-doble. So kikita niyo po yung ating ayan o, yung ating nadadaanan dito sa ating background.
Sasama sa amin.
Wow. Ang ganda. So kaya gustong-gusto ko mamundok guys eh. Kasi pagdating mo dito guys, ang ganda ng mga tanawin na makikita mo. Yung nakaka-stress free and then nakakalanghap ka pa ng sariwang hangin, which is good. And then plus na-exercise ka pa o diba? Bongga. Yeah. So yan kasi ay palamtin. Lamtin. So itong way na to ay pa Devil's Peak. So let's go in this way guys. Ayan, may mga ruins pala dito guys. Ayan. Since
Ito guys, is the fortifications at Devil's Peak. So basahin niyo na po kasi English po kasi.
So Devil's Peak is overlooking the eastern approaches to Victoria Harbour and was therefore chosen by the British military as a site of defensive position after the British lease of the new defensive position of the new territories. 1898. So tagal! The fortification at Devil's Peak mainly comprised the Redoubt of Summit. Wala na guys, kayo na lang magbasa kasi mahina pa tayo sa reading. Grade 2.
So nasa pala ba?
Dito na ako sa Redoubt at its summit as the site of the headquarters of the Eastern Fire Command. Go battery equipped with a 6-inch and a 9.2-inch gun emplacements at the mid-level. Oh, sa battery, and Pottinger battery equipped with two 9.2-inch gun emplacement at the lower level. Both the Go battery and Pottinger battery also consists of underground magazines and bunkers. Fortification of Devil's Peak are accorded with a grade 2 status. So yan guys, pasensya naman po at hindi ako marunong magbasa.
So ayan guys, so ito na mga ruins na po yan ng mga battery guys nung araw. So ito na po yung kinalabasan niya. So as you can see. So ayan guys, so ito yung mga tanda na ito, tanda ng pakikidigma nung araw.
Sa mga kung sino naman kanilang pinagawa bandinis. Ito po ay
So ayan guys. Oh. So always same lang din to sa kwan guys, sa dun sa may nakita ko dito sa may saang battery ba yun? Saang battery ba yung pinuntahan natin? Kaya nga saan yun? Oh, sa may Pinewood battery guys. Marami din po doon. Almost same structure. Alam mo, same structure lang sila. So yun guys. So let's go in this way guys. Let's go. Just follow the beautiful girl down there. Yung naka red hat. Yung isa din po naming kasamahan na naliligaw din. Ayan guys, bumalik kami ni Wengay dito sa may batteries. Ito na nga. This is it.
Yung iba yung sinasabi nila na yung parang may
So, Wengay is there guys. So, sundan po natin si Wengay kung saan po siya pupunta. Ako din nakikurious kung saan patungo itong daan na to. So, come on guys, samahan niyo po kami. Tara, let's! Uy, saan na tayo nito? Daan siya, daan. Ito yung kalugtong ng semento doon. So doon pa tayo kasi dapat malapit tayo dun sa may tulay, di ba?
ito pa rin po yung parang yung pinuntahan namin ng tulad kahit sa ano. Shortcut lang, parang hindi kayo mabalik doon. Hanapin naman namin ngayon yung ano, sana. Sige na, nag-video pa kami doon na. Hindi siya, ano, dapat itong drampin. Hi.
Supposed to be yan, dapat ang background natin, di ba? Pag nagpicturan. So where is that?
Alam ko, let's just walk in the way. Ano, walk naman tayo. Let's walk on the trail.
Hello.
We're in green. We love green.
Asan na sila?
Asan na kayo?
Baka pupunta dapat dito, sa side na to.
Hindi ko rin alam.
So yung blue na arrow yan guys is Lamtin is going there.
Guys, may nakalagay na Devil's Peak. Tatangan mo na naman. Try ko ulit kung bumaba dito kasi nga, hindi lang yung sukayin talaga.
So ito, Yautong to Devil's Peak, may naka-arrow po dito, Devil's Peak. Kaya nga, so yan na yun, yung pinakataas niyan.
Kayo makit eh, doon di ba?
Nasaan na sila?
Asan kayo?